So another thing you can do with your fresh mango is make smoothie bags, which make the mornings really, really easy because you can just pull your smoothie bags out of the freezer, dump them in your blender, and then add your liquid.
Perfect. There you go. So we'll put some of the mangoes and then some of the greens. So the same smoothie we had before, but prepped for tomorrow and the next day. Smoothie bags prepped and ready. And you can put everything in the bag, or you can leave the protein powder out for later. You can even add other stuff. I might even add like a banana.
Perfect. So then your morning breakfast is super easy,
Smoothie bags.
ready to go, and super nutritious.
Yay! Lots of fruits and vegetables.
And cups.
And that, friends, is 60 seconds. See you again tomorrow for another Daily Nutrition Minute.